हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे कि ड्रिल बिट कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं इन अ क्रियो। ओके। सो इसमें हम हेलिकल स्विप कट कमांड यूज़ करेंगे, चैम्फर और रिवॉल्व कट। ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद न्यू फाइल। ओके, go to the file and new icon. Okay. Now select the top plane from the window and click sketch icon. Okay, normal. Draw a circle with the same 7 mm radius, that means 14 mm dia. Okay, so we have first delete this and 14 mm. Now click OK and enter depth value 108 mm. Okay, go to extrude and give condition here mid plane. Okay, and give this 108 mm. Okay, now click it and zoom out. This is how. Okay, click the sketch tool. Okay, and create a sketch or create a line on the right plane. Okay, normal, set to normal, and project this line and draw a line with the length of 68 mm. ओके, जो हमारी ड्रिल की जो कट बनेगी वो 68 mm में बनेगी। सो ओके, नाउ क्लिक एंड ओके completion. So go to the sweep helical sweep command. Okay, select the line which we have created previously. Okay, and give the axis rotation of axis is axis of revolution. Okay, you click here extrude cut and give pitch value, give pitch value 40 mm. Okay, and sketch on it. So sketch a circle profile and with the dia of 5. Okay, now look, this is how we create. This is how we create a circular cut. Okay, now we can adjust this. Okay, now now select the helical sweep. Okay, and go to the pattern and let's uh, give direction axis. Okay, select the item center of axis. Okay, here the item we have 2, okay, or the angle between we have 180 degree, and let's click okay. Here we see our cutting tool like this, okay. Now go to the chamfer, okay. Select first this cutting edge, this cutting edge, give O1 into O2, and the first we have 0.7 and second one is we have 0.2, okay. This is the chamfer angle. Now click on ok. Now same as in second cutting edges, so go to chamfer again, select these two cutting edges, zoom in, okay. Go to the chamfer, first cutting angle and second cutting angle. Now 0 1 into 0 2, oh sorry, O1 O2, okay, and 0.7 and 0.2 we have, okay. Now our sketch is ready. Now we have to use revolve cut in right plane. So let's now go to the revolve command and choose right plane, set as normal, and convert these entity and draw a line from here vertical and go to this, okay. Zoom in. Now let's trim out this. Zoom out. Trim this, okay. Let's click on ok. Revolve cut, click here item. First we have this cutting angle, right. This is how we create a drilling bit in a Creo. Thank you.